Hi, I'm Karina, Chief Product Officer at Clarity. Many organizations are caught into one of two traps. They either overwhelmed with possibilities with generative AI, machine learning, neural networks, making headlines every day, or they just don't know where technology can bring them real value and where they are just a hype. The key questions keeping executives awake at night: are our business processes ready for AI implementation? If our data is ready for AI, how do we measure success? How can we justify ROI of the implementation? And how do we scale beyond the initial pilot or project implementation? Clarity has cross-industrial experience and best practice implementing business processes in enterprises, especially in SAP landscape. We have our own data science team of experts who can deliver different machine learning algorithms for specific business needs. We also have our proven methodology, which refined with various implementation and justified by the reviews of our customers. And one of the most important points that we start lean by scaling through your specific business needs. After recognizing the critical gap between AI technologies capabilities and business realities and needs, we developed AI Workshop, our methodology, which is not just theoretical exercises. It is a collaborative approach between our team and your experts of business processes. So we have 4 essential steps. First of all, it's important to have alignment of the strategical vision for entire organization, alignment within your culture and the needs that AI can deliver for you. Secondly, we assess, elevate the readiness of the data and technological landscape in your organization. Next, we design strategical steps for short period, for 6 months, and for long terms on how you can implement AI in your organization. And the last one, we develop our AI implementation roadmap, step-by-step guide considering all the uniqueness of your organization and needs, and deliver it in one report. The timeline for our AI workshop is 4 weeks. So during the week 1, we establish the foundations where we have alignment with your as-is processes, we capture your business objectives, and we together collaboratively identify all the possible AI opportunities. And as a main outcome of week 1, we share with you AI opportunities catalog. This catalog will help you to navigate through all the possibilities within your organization and how you can improve processes with AI. What is important that all those AI opportunity discovery is a very collaborative approach, because during our showcase, when we will present to you different case studies, possible use cases, together we define which are the most important for you. During week 2, we map AI capabilities that we will capture in this AI opportunities catalog, and we will map it to your specific business objectives and business challenges. Next, for each AI opportunity, we will calculate ROI, and we will go through our prioritization method, helping you to prioritize different initiatives and choose at least 3 top priority for AI implementation. 2 last weeks are focused on deliverables preparation. First of all, we will discuss pilot, how we will start, where we would like to see the real values from the AI implementation from the start. Then, for this pilot, we will define the scope, timeline, project team, and do estimation. Then we will focus on implementation roadmap for AI initiatives. We will design short period initiatives implementations such as pilot. Then once we will review the real values of this implementation, we will switch our focus to the 6 months implementation roadmap and the long term. closely aligned with your business strategical goals. So what it's all for? First of all, you will have possibility to streamline the process of AI implementation within your organization. Secondly, you will get the real business use cases that are important for your organization with calculated ROI. And the most important, you will have alignment between your strategical vision, between what AI can give you as a real values, and collaboration between your business team and technical team.